Finding the right presentation software for your church can be a struggle if you don't know what to look for, or if you don't even know what the software can do. Hi, my name is Dan, and as a longtime employee at EasyWorship, and even longer as a worship leader myself, I've found that EasyWorship is the best presentation software available for churches. It's easy to learn and use for non-techie volunteers, extremely stable, cost-effective, and comes with free training and free tech support. EasyWorship is cross-platform compatible with Windows and Mac, so you're covered no matter which type of computer you have. To get you started with EasyWorship, I want to take a moment to show you a few basics so you can hit the ground running. First, let me start by showing you the easily viewable interface. With the natural left-to-right workflow, you'll feel comfortable from the first time you open it. The left side is your schedule, where you'll save all the items you want to use for a particular service. The middle section is your preview, so you can see what slides will look like before you send them live. And on the right is your live output and live control. This is where you select which slides you want showing live and can also see what is actually showing on your live output screen. There are a couple other views you can switch to under the View menu, and you can also choose whether you want a dark or light interface. Store all your songs, scriptures, media, and presentations in an easily accessible resource bin at the bottom, and use any of those resources to create your schedules. If you need more resources, add your own media from the Media tab and type in your own songs manually by clicking New Song at the top, or easily import songs using the Song Select Lyric Service integration. Click New Presentation and use the built-in editor to build your own presentations like sermon notes and announcement loops. Go to the Scriptures tab and quickly find and display the verses you want with the amazingly fast scripture search. Create, save, and share your schedules across computers. Go live with your slides, show your church logo, black out the screen, or clear the screen, all with the click of a button. Use alerts to send short messages to your congregation or create a countdown clock. In the Options menu, set up a separate video output from your computer and enable the foldback feature, or confidence monitor, to give everyone on stage a custom view with a clock and a heads up on what's coming next. Get the message to your community by using the integrated NDI support. To send an NDI signal from EasyWorship to an NDI input device, simply go to the Edit menu and click on Options. For Mac, go to the EasyWorship menu and select Settings. Then change the output monitor to NDI stream and click OK. To receive an NDI input from another device, go to the Media tab and click on Feeds. Create a new feed and select the NDI device from the dropdown. Remember, when connecting devices using NDI, they all have to be on the same local network. Download the free remote app for iOS and Android devices to be able to control your schedules without having to be stuck behind the computer. Advance the slides or scheduled items, clear the screen, or display your logo all from the mobile device. The remote app can also be used as a confidence monitor for those on the stage or as a screen viewer for anyone who is vision impaired. With the mobile app installed, you can pair your device with EasyWorship using the remote button on the toolbar. You can use MIDI cues in EasyWorship to control your schedule remotely, control more than one computer at a time, or to automate your slide advancements. Send MIDI cues from other programs or hardware that tell EasyWorship to go live to the next or previous slide, advance to the next schedule item, and many other functions without needing an operator at the computer. Use your worship tracks with programs like Prime by Loop Community, or Playback by Multitracks, or even Ableton Live to send the MIDI cues to EasyWorship to fully automate your service. Set up all your MIDI connections using the remote button on the toolbar, and then select MIDI to create a new MIDI control. All of these powerful features and more come standard with the EasyWorship monthly or annual subscription. Whether your church is large, small, or somewhere in between, we believe you'll agree that EasyWorship really does make worship easy.